Right after college, we took a surf trip to the #1 surf destination in the world, Bali, Indonesia. We saw something that would change our entire outlook on the ocean forever.
What we saw was a bunch of plastic washed up on the shoreline. I walked up to a lifeguard and said, "How come no one's doing anything to clean this plastic?" He responded with, "We clean it every morning. This is just what happens." By the afternoon, all the wind and tides would bring in more plastic. There was just so much.
We realized that there was a serious problem with the plastic pollution. And we saw fishermen pushing their boats through tons of plastic, only to come back with empty nets. And they were working all day. So we kind of saw this and asked them, how much money are you guys making for a living? They were not making that much money going out and catching fish. So we just kind of realized if we could shift the demand from paying them to go and catch fish to go out and get ocean plastic, that we could create a sustainable business model that would be both beneficial for Bali and Indonesia as well as the fishermen.
So Alex and I brought that idea with us back home and came up with this crazy idea where what if we can create an economy to have the fishermen shift gears from seafood to plastic? What if we can hire people and create jobs to collect plastic for a living? From that, we took the model of the fishermen weighing the fish per pound, and we decided to pay the locals per pound. And before you know it, 4Ocean was born.
Now, we've got captains and crews that are cleaning the ocean 7 days a week. We've operated out of 26 different countries, and to date, we've removed over 500,000 pounds of trash from the ocean. All of these cleanups are funded entirely through the sale of our bracelet.
The 4Ocean bracelet is made from 100% recycled materials. The glass beads are made from post-consumer recycled glass bottles, and the cord is made from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic water bottles.
4Ocean's mission is to educate and inspire individuals to work together for cleaner oceans, 1 pound at a time.